so much, everybody, for joining us for yet another episode of Faces of LXSE Show. Here we're all about telling the amazing stories of our learners, our graduates, and the amazing things that they're doing across the African continent. Today, I'm joined by an amazing graduate of our cohort 1 blended, Ismail, and he's going to walk us through the portfolio project that he built. Our mentors were greatly impressed, and it was voted the best portfolio project in cohort 1 blended, and it's called TubeNote. And TubeNote is a note-taking app. It's such a unique and great idea that I don't want to talk much about it. And before we go into that idea, let's bring Ismail on board. Hi, Ismail, how are you?
Thank you for this presentation.
Just go on and introduce yourself, which cohort you're in, and then you can go from there.
My name is Lahbiyeb Ismail. I'm from Morocco. I'm graduated from cohort 1 blended.
Amazing. Ismail, your career in tech, is this something that you always knew you're going to go into a career in tech since you're a child, or were you on a different path and then you came back into
Yes,
tech?
I study electric engineering before I start the software engineering path.
All right. You are done electrical engineering. Okay,
Yes.
perfect. All right. So walk us through your thought process, coming up with this idea. How did you come up with TubeNote?
The idea behind TubeNote is easy, and I watch a video content for learning and for software engineering content a lot, and I want an application to seamlessly watch and take notes in the same time. That's when TubeNote come.
Okay, you wanted to be able to watch a video and
Yeah,
then simultaneously take notes without having to switch in between
yes,
applications.
that's the main
All right,
idea. Yes,
all right. And you called it TubeNote.
yes.
How did you come up with that name? Where did it come from?
Yeah.
TubeNote.
TubeNote is like YouTube at Note. We check Tube from YouTube at Note is like a Note.
Okay, so it's sort of like you picked it from YouTube to mean tube, because
Yes,
it's a note taker, video note taker. It takes videos
yes,
from, while you're watching a video. So, okay,
yes.
that was creative. And when you're working on Tube, did you work alone or did you work with a team?
No, I work alone.
Oh, you worked alone.
Yeah, yeah.
So you built both the front end and back end by yourself.
Yes, yes, by myself, yes.
While you're in the program, the LX program, which one did you specialize in? Did you specialize in back end or front end, or did you do
I
both?
specialize in the back end, yes.
Where did you learn the skills on front end?
Yes,
Because the UI UX is also amazing.
I start learning front end since 2002. I start learning HTML, CSS, and all the front end framework like React, Next.js before I start my journey with Alex.
Amazing. So give us a demo, because I think now people are curious of, when you mean, and before even going to that, let's walk us through, give us a quick demonstration of how TubeNote works.
Yeah, okay. This is the main landing page with the short introduction to TubeNote, and this is how it works. This is the main functionality of TubeNote, and this is the sample footer. When you want to get started, you can click here or here. You can click get started. You can log in if you have an account, or create or log with Google if you want, or create an account. Let me create an account for a demo purpose. When you create an account with a new email, your email address is have to be a valid email address, but because email verification will be sent to this email to verify your email address. Yeah. This is the main page of TubeNote. We can see your recent notes and your recently updated notes. You can view here. You can expand the sidebar. You can view your all notes. You can delete them. You can confirm if you want to delete. You're gonna cancel. You can edit them. Let me show you how to edit. And then I'm gonna show you how to create a new note.
Okay.
Because the local environment is a little slow. But when in the development or when I host it in a domain, it's gonna be work seamlessly. Here you can watch the video and take notes at the same time. You can do whatever you want. You can create hello work.
Mm-hmm.
You can add a block or code here. You can choose whichever your language you prefer.
Mm-hmm.
You can save your notes. You can choose any title you want to the note and you click save. The note is updated. Here,
Mm-hmm.
if we go back to the note, we're gonna see the changes we made. Here, the change.
Mm-hmm.
Let me let's create a new note. If you want to create a new note, you have to get a YouTube URL for the video you want to take note of it. Let me
Mm-hmm.
grab a YouTube URL. You can enter and click check notes.
Mm-hmm.
Here, the video with the URL we add. You can pause it if you want. You can manage it however you want. You can check notes.
Mm-hmm.
You can save here. Before you save, you have to enter a note title and click save. The note is saved. Here, the note we created.
Mm-hmm.
You can edit it if you want before. Or we can add anything we want. You can. And that's the main idea behind the main functionality of TubeNote. You can check notes, you can edit
Mm-hmm.
them, you can delete them, and all your notes is saved in one place. You don't have to write it in paper and forget when you put it. And this is the main
Mm-hmm.
idea behind it.
Amazing, amazing. Is it only integrated with YouTube for you to
Yes,
take the
yes,
notes?
yes. For now, is only for YouTube, but I'm planning to add the. You can to add the video from your local machine and to
Mm-hmm.
take notes from it. Yes.
Mm-hmm. All right. And I think the other question people will be interested about is, the kind of technology, frameworks, language, whatever that you used. Kindly walk us through that.
Yes, front end part, we use Next.js, a React framework,
Mm-hmm.
and Tailwind CSS for Sliland, and
Mm-hmm.
plus Chatcn for component.
Mm-hmm.
And for the backend, I use Node.js with TypeScript and Express for handling the API process with
Mm-hmm.
the help of the YouTube API for retrieving the YouTube videos data.
Mm-hmm.
And I use GWT, JSON Web Token for authentication, for
Mm-hmm.
managing user session.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's it. Yes.
Okay. All right. And you always have like a very short window to build the portfolio project. Did you do this within the 2 weeks, 1 month provision, or is this an idea that you had already started working on before?
No, no, the idea gets when the portfolio project the Alex portfolio project phase starts. I didn't get it before.
All right. So all this you built within how long?
Like 2 months,
Wow.
2 to 3 months. Yes,
And you worked alone.
yes, yes. I work alone.
Oh wow, that is really amazing.
Yeah,
It's a lot
thank
of
you.
that's a lot of heavy work to do
Yes,
one person
yes,
and come up with an amazing beautiful idea. The UX UI is very much on point.
yeah.
Um, all right. Regarding the frameworks and the technologies and the languages, all this you learned at ALX, or some of them you had to take a step and research more about them?
All the main technologies we learned at Alex, yes, but I have a little bit experience before. I have worked with React and Next.js before starts with Alex, yes. But
Mm-hmm.
the main technology, yes, we learn it in Alex, yes.
Mm-hmm. Amazing. This product, can anybody use it, or do you require some basic coding or programming language for an end user?
No, no, everyone can use it. No program requirements needed. No.
Okay. Is it publicly available right now? Somebody
Right.
can go and interact with it?
Right now, no, they are GitHub repo for the project, but I didn't host it anywhere because I
Okay.
still developing.
Okay, you're still developing it.
Yes,
Do you have plans to fully ship it into a product that maybe, customers and people can access it?
yes, yes. This is my main plan. Yes, main goal for it. Yes.
Okay, your main goal. All right. Do you have any other integrations? Does it allow with other note takers, for example, other platforms for transcription like Otter and all that? Do you have plans? Does it currently allow such note takers integration to integrate to this? What I mean is, I've seen how you save notes. After you have made
Yeah.
the notes, you save notes, and somebody might want to, maybe have the notes saved on their note taker, a different note taker. Is it integrated now, or do you have plans for
No, I
that?
didn't. I didn't have plan, but this is a good idea. I didn't have this idea in my mind, but I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna work on it. Yes,
Mhm.
possibly yes in the future. Yes, maybe.
Okay. Amazing. What would be your advice to your peers? Once they watch this and they're like, wow, this is a unique idea. Because, most of the time when you say people to work on portfolio projects, a lot of people go into cloning. They take this and clone, they take this and clone, but you came up with a whole beautiful idea. You have literally like invented something from scratch. What would be your advice as far as creating a portfolio project is concerned?
My idea is I don't know if I'm able to give someone an advice because I'm still learning. But my advice is to check some problem
Mm-hmm.
that you have a problem and you want to solve it.
Mm-hmm.
Check that problem and push it down and make it try to solve it. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
using your knowledge. If you didn't come with an idea, it's okay to get some idea from others and make changes. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
you know, make some changes, add more functionality to it, and
Mm-hmm.
add the most important change, make it unique, make it that you make something for
Mm-hmm.
yourself and for others.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I don't have any other advice, but the main
Mm-hmm.
advice is to work hard. The
Mm-hmm.
consistency is the key. Every day you have to work. Not to work today, after tomorrow, no, tomorrow, no, no. There, you have to consistency is the main key. You have to work every day. And the Alex, the main, if you want to succeed in the Alex program, you have to work every day. And this is the more important advice that I'm gonna give to someone, to some other person. Yes.
Were you surprised when you heard that your project has been voted the best in Cohort 1 Blended?
Yes, yes. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, but
Why?
I don't know, because there are lots of peers, there are lots of projects. I didn't expect that my projects will be good. No, I at first that I know my idea is good, but I didn't know that my project is gonna be the the best.
Amazing. Our mentors were greatly impressed by your idea of, and actually I will quote directly what the mentor said. The mentor said, "This is a note taken to the next level. Such a great and unique idea. The app lets people open a YouTube tutorial and take notes alongside watching the video. I've never seen something like this." So your mentor who reviewed your project was greatly impressed by how you did, both the front end and the back end within such a short time. Apart from working on this, now that you have graduated, are there any plans, anything else that you're working on, or you are dedicating your time fully towards TubeNote?
No, my time is fully integrated with TubeNote, but I didn't have any other idea right now. No. I want to work in step by step. I want to finish TubeNote and then move to the next.
Okay, and then move to the next. All right. Thank you so much, Ismail, for joining us.
Yeah.
This is such a unique idea. But first of all, before I let you go, for somebody to use TubeNote, because it is currently integrated with YouTube, you must have a Gmail address for you to successfully log in into TubeNote, right?
No, no, no. Yes, yes, it is. No, you have to have an email, a working email. That's it.
Gmail or any, because it's
Any.
integrated to YouTube.
No, no need. You only have to the YouTube URL. You don't have the Gmail account. No.
Okay, all right. Do you have a sense of when people can be able to publicly interact with it, when a publicly accessible link will be available?
And in 1 month, maybe. Yes.
1 month.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Please, when you launch officially, I know people will be interested with this idea that, you watch a YouTube video and on the background you're also taking notes. People will be very excited to interact with it. My other question is, when it's taking notes, is it in the form of transcription, or is there anything that you can do to, make the note taking in terms of like it's summarizing for you? Is it just transcribing what is being said in the video, or is it like, you know, summarizing it and making it easy for you to go?
I didn't understand the question. Come to.
I'm saying
Yes.
when it's taking notes, when TubeNote is taking notes
Yes.
and it's listening to a video, is it just translating what is being said in the video into text, or is it summarizing it so that, you can go later and review? Is there something you can do? Is there a way you can, I don't know, the way
Ah,
you
yes,
I'm
yes.
talking about, I'm talking something like prompt engineering, like with ChatGPT.
Yes,
It's like,
yes. The plan is that I want to integrate AI with the YouTube with the video, and you can ask it to take note for you or summarize a section. That's uh, that's in my plan. Yes.
okay. At the moment, it's just like translating what is being said in the video into text.
No, right now you can you watch the video and pause it and you check notes. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so what I'm saying is, when it's taking notes, where is it getting the prompts from? Because like if I watch a video, let's say I'm watching a video, I will see they say something, then I'll write it down.
Yes.
But with TubeNote, how does it work? Does it listen to everything the video is saying and then it puts it down into text?
No, you put the text yourself. You watch the video and you type the notes. There's no AI integrated with
Oh, you have to. Oh, okay. So it's just that you don't leave. You don't have to post the video and pause and go and write it somewhere else.
No, you have to write your note down yourself. Not there are no AI integration. But in the future, I am planning to integrate AI to check notes by you. Yes.
All right, that one is well understood. Thank you
Yes.
so much, Ismail. This
Thank
is
you.
a groundbreaking idea, TubeNote. We
Thank
wish
you.
you all the best as you continue working on it. Please, when you're ready to launch, let us know because you have like a very big audience, so that we can help you with the traction and the launch and all that.
Yes. Thank
Thank
you
you for
very much.
accepting to speak to us so that you can inspire your peers. And I hope by listening to you and how you went about building all this alone will inspire them to know that they can create portfolio projects that are solving real life problems and creating an impact.
Yes. Thank you for this opportunity. Yes. Thank you.
All right.